Hello guys and girls, and today the best way to clean UPVC window frames so that they stay clean for a long time. Now what you're going to need today is some hot soapy water. I just use car wash and wax, a non-scratch sponge, some car wax, a soft cloth and your hand or both hands. So as you can see, this is my UPVC window frame here, and it is filthy. Lots of green algae, mould and yuck. So this needs a good clean. So let's get our hot soapy water and the non-scratch sponge. The non-scratch ones are normally white because you don't want to scratch all the plastic. So first of all, let's just get it nice and clean as possible. Get all this green algae off. So give it a nice good scrub. It really is dirty, this one. Oh, little spider. Save any little spiders, obviously. And then once you've given it a good soapy wash, then get some clean water. Get some clean water and just get off the residue and the bubbles, just so it comes up a bit nicer. And then if you're doing this in the summer, obviously just let it dry for half an hour. If not, you can just dry that with a cloth. Now what you're going to need is just any kind of car wax or car polish. Doesn't matter what it is, just any kind of car wax. So I'm doing this in the winter, so it's a bit chilly and it's not going to dry, so I'm just going to dry it off with a dirty old rag. Now take your car polish and a nice soft cloth, get some car polish onto there and just put that on the window frame. Just rub that on nice and gently. Now because this is car polish, it's absolutely brilliant because once you buff it off after this, it just acts like car wax, obviously, and any water that goes on there just instantly rolls off. It's just absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we rubbed that car wax in. Now we're just going to buff it off lightly. So let's just give it a good old buffer. So already it's looking so much better. So let's just have a quick look along the line. Absolutely superb. And that's what it did look like. So what a massive difference. I mean, that's taken me a couple of minutes. Obviously you need to do the whole lot. This is just a demonstration of this particular area. And that will stay clean for a long time. As I say, any water that falls on that or dirt just falls off it like off a duck's back. It's really good. So you can see how nice and clean that's come up. So all in all, a great job. So I was cleaning out the garage the other day with the wife. Filthy, dirty, covered with cobwebs, but she's good with the kids. Cheers, Tommy Cooper. And that is the end. Hopefully that's helped somebody out there. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. Appreciate it.